Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you open your Valorant game and an error is pop up, well error code 29. This error is occurred due to some network issue. These may range from some firewall blocking causing network issue or simply the service not working correctly in the background or your window antivirus may be interfering with the connectivity. So in this video I will show you how to fix this error. So keep the video till then and follow my steps. The first solution is go to the start button and go to the power button icon and just simply restart. After restarting your device, check the problem. If it persists, then next solution is again go to the search bar and search here window protection, window security. Click on it and go to the virus and threat protection. Now scroll down and go to the manage setting. Scroll down and click on the add or remove extension. Now here you can add an exclusion. Go to the file and select the file that you want to allow. After doing this step, check your problem. If it persists, then again go to the search bar and search your services. Click on it and scroll down and choose the BGC option. Right click on it and left click on the properties. Click on the start field and from drop down select the automatic and click on the stop. It will load for a few seconds before you can click apply. After applying these methods, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.